हेलो स्टार्ट करू सत्य
आगे से स्टार्ट करो.
हाँ ओके थैंक यू हेलो एवरीवन let's start our usual discussions on the analytical part of Indian geography. So as we know, the very Indian geography in the Odisha Administrative Service exams is a major part where the most questions in preliminary asked on the conceptual basis. So let us know and discuss over this one. First question: which of the following state does most part of the Vidarbha region lies particularly? Which of the following states does most part of the Vidarbha region lie? Kerala, Karnataka, Gujarat, and Maharashtra. Just 1 second. Yes, Kerala. Most part of the Vidarbha region lies. So here answer is your Maharashtra. The Vidarbha region actually it is in the north of your Maharashtra region. Maharashtra region. This is the Vidarbha region. Most of the interior part. Interior place. The answer is D. Then Guru Shikhar Peak is located in which among the following states? Guru Shikhar Peak. Haryana, Kerala, Rajasthan, and Bihar. Guru Shikhar Peak is located which among the following states? Guru Shikhar. So answer is your C, that is Rajasthan. It is C for Rajasthan. D and C. Vidarbha region located near the eastern part of Maharashtra. Eastern side Maharashtra, that is as we have done that one. Eastern side of Maharashtra particularly, it is Vidarbha regions particularly. Okay, this part of, or we can say northeastern exactly. Guru Shikhar Peak, देखिए Guru Shikhar Peak majorly is in Guru Shikhar Peak is the Arbuda mountains of Rajasthan, is the highest peak of Aravalli range particularly. Guru Shikhar Peak, if we see, Guru Shikhar Peak is here. This is in the Aravalli range. Right? It rises to an altitude 5676. Right? It rises an altitude to 5676 meter. Oh, sorry, 5676 your feet. Feet is 5676 feet. So it is 15 kilometer from the Mount Abu, and a road from there leads almost to the top of the mountain. A cave at the summit contains a temple of Dattatreya and incarnation of Lord Vishnu particularly. Next, which among the following South Indian states shared its boundary with the maximum number of states particularly? Who state the maximum number of states share its boundary? Tamil Nadu, Kerala, Andhra Pradesh, and Karnataka. Tamil Nadu, Kerala, Andhra Pradesh, and Karnataka. Your answer is here it is D. It is Karnataka. Is it Karnataka? Because Karnataka is surrounded by your 6 states we will discuss later. As I said, after every 2 successive questions we will discuss this one. Next, what is the approximate time difference between sunrise in Arunachal Pradesh and Saurashtra of India? Sunrise in Arunachal Pradesh and Saurashtra of India. 1 hour, 1 hour 30 minutes, 2 hour or 2 hour 30 minutes. Approximate time difference. Sunrise in Arunachal Pradesh and Saurashtra of India. Sunrise Arunachal Pradesh and Saurashtra of India. Saurashtra is a place it is in the Gujarat. This is more than 2 hours or approximate we can say 2 hours. It is C. Right? 2 hours is your right answer. Let's see the discussions now. See here. The state Karnataka shared its boundary with 6 other states. Basically, that is Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Maharashtra, and Goa. Karnataka is the state which shared its boundary with maximum 6 other states. Here, it has given South Indian states. It has to be marked as South Indian states. Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Maharashtra, and Goa. Distance देखिए सौराष्ट्र रू यहाँ पर है, that is your Saurashtra, that is in the Gujarat. Saurashtra है तोरो Gujarat, that is in the Saurashtra रू then it is Arunachal Pradesh. Arunachal Pradesh is the northernmost boundary. Sorry. Arunachal Pradesh is देखिए this is northernmost boundary. This is another boundary. So from here to here, approximately if we can say, then longitudinally it is difference is near about 30 degree. Okay, 30 degree longitude. Longitudinally it is your 30 degree mostly. So the difference is there. So as we know, that is 30 degree almost. So it is into 4. So near about we know 1 degree is equal to 4 minutes. As we know, so 30 degree is equal to 120 minutes. So 120 minutes 2 hours, simple. Thank you. As we know, simple calculations that we all have to remember that one. The Earth takes 24 hours for one complete revolution, 360 degree. For 1 hour is equal to, it is 15 degree. Right? hour 360 degree. So 1 hour is equal to 15 degree. Okay, so as we know, so 1 hour is equal to 15 degree. So we can say for 15 degree revolution, it takes 60 minutes. For 15 degree, it takes 60 minutes. Then for 1 degree is equal to 60 by 15 is equal to 4 minutes. So we can say Earth प्रति गोटे डिग्री बुलिया पे 1 degree बुलिया पे and we can say for 1 degree it took 4 minutes, we can say. So in terms of that one, यदि हम कहि परिबा कि longitudinal difference देखे जो समय तमर टिके भी डाउट हवा, you can just remember कि इंडिया रा जो पोजीशंस अच्छी सौराष्ट्र माने कच्छ एरिया रु नहीं कि अरुणाचल प्रदेश 30 डिग्री रो डिफरेंस अच्छी हैला 67 और 97. so 30 डिग्री, so 30 डिग्री माने गोटे डिग्री 4 मिनिट, 30 डिग्री हैला 120 मिनिट माने 2 hours. So answer is C. I hope it is clear now. Next, which among the following is the largest river system among the Deccan system of rivers? Among the Deccan system of rivers. Largest river system among the Deccan system of rivers particularly. Okay, Deccan system: Godavari, Kaveri, Krishna, Periyar. Largest river system among the Deccan system of rivers. Deccan system रे Deccan lava रे पेरियार केबे भी नो, गोदावरी ऊपर रोचे हैला, गोदावरी रो तळ पट नो. लार्जेस्ट रिवर्स ने कावेरी और कृष्णा भीतर वी कैन गो फॉर कृष्णा हैला. कावेरी एठी तमरो गोदावरी तमरो बाहर ची जदी देखिवो पर्टिकुलरली सही माइकाल रेंज रे बाहर ची गोदावरी, सॉरी गोदावरी बाहर ची तमरो त्रयंबकेश्वर हैला. गोदावरी समर बाहर ची त्रयंबकेश्वर, इडु बाहर के ड्रेन हिचे आंध्र प्रदेश रे त्रयंबकेश्वर बाहर ची. Godavari, Kaveri, Krishna. Krishna is the right answer. Which among the following race of Indians is the oldest? Negritos, Proto-Australoids, Mongoloids, Nordics. Following race of Indians is oldest. It is Proto-Australoids. B for Bombay. Proto-Australoids. Deccan system of rivers. Deccan system of rivers. Then it is okay. It is Godavari. Deccan system of rivers. His answer is your Godavari. Right? Yes, it is Godavari. I'm sorry. With a length of, it is Negritos and it is Godavari. I'm sorry. This is not Proto-Australoid. It is Negritos. With a length of 1465 km, Godavari is India's second largest river. India's second largest river. Largest, I'm telling. After a length of 1465 km, second largest means in terms of your width. That runs within the country and also longest river in South India. It originates near Trayambak in Nasik district, Nasik district of Maharashtra state, and flows east across the Deccan Plateau. Flows east of the Deccan Plateau. Finally, it merges into the Bay of Bengal near Narsapuram in West Godavari district of Andhra Pradesh. Finally, it merges into the Bay of Bengal. Finally, it merges with the Bay of Bengal near Narsapuram in West Godavari district of Andhra Pradesh. The river also known as Dakshin Ganga and Gautami. Dakshin Ganga and Gautami. Also the river Dakshin Ganga or Gautami. The Manjra and Indravati rivers are its major tributaries. Manjra and Indravati are its major tributary. Negritos jodi kohibe na almost extinct negritos and inhabitants of Andaman and Nicobar Islands. These are inhabitants of Andaman and Nicobar Islands. The negritos are several diverse ethnic groups who inhabit isolated parts of the Southeast Asia and Andaman Islands. Negritos are the several diverse ethnic groups, particularly diverse ethnic groups who inhabit isolated parts of Southeast Asia and the Andaman Islands. Their current population includes Andamanese peoples, particularly their current population then include the Andamanese peoples of the Andaman Islands. The Semang people among them, the Batik people of peninsular Malaysia, the Vanik people of southern Thailand, as well as the ETA, ATI, about 30 other officially recognized ethnic groups in the Philippines. So near about it हम देखुଛନ୍ତି ETA, ATI, Vanik people Malaysia है एमन these are the ethnic groups who are okay. Next देखिए negritos now almost extinct inhabitants of Andaman and Nicobar Island. The negritos are several diverse ethnic groups who inhabit the isolated parts of Southeast Asia and Andaman Islands. जोटा आम देखिले their current peoples Andaman Islands, Semang people, Peninsular Malaysia, Vanik people and southern Thailand as well as ETA and ATI ethnic groups of Philippines. So these are the main जोटा कि Philippines रे ସେମାନେ mainly. Next देखिए से negritos जदि कहबो जोटा कि हम कहबा India's oldest है following race of Indians is oldest. Race of Indians is oldest. The negritos. They're almost half naked or few are not having clothes on them. So it means that they're very backward, and nowadays they also cultural mixing of the outer their outer world apart from their forest and village area. Okay, next, which among the following is not correctly matched? Margasi project is in West Bengal. Modaka Dam Uttar Pradesh, Mukerni hydroelectric project Punjab, Kalada irrigation Tamil Nadu. Mukerian hydroelectric project जदि मु कहबी मारकासी हला वेस्ट बेंगल रो मुकेदाम उत्तर प्रदेश आ भितरु it is not correctly matched. It is not correctly matched. It is okay. So So this one is correct. Mukadda, Uttar Pradesh is correct. Mukerian hydropower also. This is Mukaddam. It is not in the project. So answer is not correct. These are all three are correct. Mayurkasi, West Bengal correct. Mukaddam project, Korean hydro project, Punjab correct. This is not correct. Kalada irrigation project in Tamil Nadu is not correct. We'll discuss this one. So answer is your D for Delhi. Then Mahi Bajar Sagar Dam is located in which state? Rajasthan, Odisha, Uttar Pradesh, and Assam. Mahi Bajar Sagar Dam. Mahi Bajar Sagar Dam. It is in the not Odisha, not Uttar Pradesh, Assam. This is A for Rajasthan. A for Agra. Okay. देखिए Kalada Irrigation and Tree Crop Development Scheme. Kalada Irrigation and Tree Crop Development Scheme is the largest irrigation project in Kerala. Kalada Irrigation project, this is not in Karnataka, rather it is in the Kerala. Okay. Irrigation and Tree Crop Development Scheme is the largest irrigation project in Kerala. The command area of this project distributed over the Kollam, Pathanitha and Alappuzha district. Kollam, Pathanitha and Alappuzha district, and covers Pathanpuram, Kotarakka and Kollam, Kantanur, Kurungapalli, Adur, Mavelikar, and Karthirap taluks. So these are the areas where it is covered, this Kalada irrigation project. So this scheme was planned to irrigate a net cultivate command area, that is 61630 hectare particularly. This scheme was planned to irrigate your net cultivation command area, that is 61630 hectare. During the course of execution, few canals including your Kayamkulam branch canal were dropped, and now this scheme benefits a net cultivable command area, that is 53514 hectare in 92 villages particularly. The scheme was planned to irrigate net cultivable land area 61630 hectare. During the course of execution, few canals including Kayamkulam branch canal were dropped, and now this scheme benefits a net cultivable command area of 53,514 hectare in 92 villages. This scheme was planned to irrigate net cultivable command area, that is 61630 hectare particularly. जदि आम देखा तमिलनाडु और केरला, मोस्ट ऑफ द प्रोजेक्ट जदि तुम देख मोस्ट ऑफ द हाइड्रो इलेक्ट्रिक प्रोजेक्ट और एचईपी डैम प्रोजेक्ट से माने प्रायतः ये दुटा स्टेट रे से माने मेजरली दे आर प्लेस्ड योर कर्नाटका और सॉरी केरला और तमिलनाडु रे. Next देखिए Mahi Bajar Sagar Dam is a dam across the Mahi River. Across the Mahi River a dam is located. Mahi River जोटा कि is an west flowing river, है ना, जोटा कि drain is Arabian Sea, that we have already discussed जोटा कि previously को ये discussion हम कही कि Mahi River west flowing river भितर Mahi is also an important west flowing rivers, and is located 16 km from Banaswara Tyne in Banaswara district of Rajasthan. Mahi River. It is the second largest dam in Rajasthan particularly, and is named after Jamnalal Bajaj. The dam has installed capacity is 140 megawatt particularly. Mahi River dam कहते 140 megawatt particularly. Then देखिए The Mayurkasi Dam, that is Mayurkasi or Kannada Dam, is constructed on the river Mayurkasi at Mansur in the Santhal Pragan district of Jharkhand. I'm sorry, oh, the seventh discussion it is just carried out from here. 7 number discussion right here. ଏଥିରେ ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ଜିନିଷ ଅଛି, just a minute, I'll do it. So it discuss so now it is okay. So Mayurkasi Dam ऊपर जब हम देखिए, Mayurkasi Dam is constructed in the river Mayurkasi at Maznor Santhal Pragan district in the state of Jharkhand. The barrages of river Mayurkasi is constructed at Tilpada, 32 km downstream dam of near Suri, the district town of Birbhum, okay, where the main canals are of taking the left and right banks, particularly left or right banks. So the Mukherjee hydroelectric project on the is on the river Bees, Punjab. Is on the river Bees, that is Punjab. Santhal Pragan a district that is in the Jharkhand. Santhal Pragan is the bordering district between the West Bengal and Jharkhand. The barrages of the river Mayurkasi is constructed in the Tilpada, that is 32 km downstream of the dam near Suri, the district town of Birbhum, where from main canals are off taking the left and the right banks. Next, Rajasthan जब हम देखिए, the Mahi Bajar Sagar Dam is across the Mahi River and is located 16 km from Banaswar town in the Banaswar district of Rajasthan. It is the second largest dam in Rajasthan, named after the Jamnalal Bajaj. Jamnalal Bajaj was a great industrialist. He was a well-known personality in India also. The dam has installed capacity near about 140 megawatt, particularly. Next, which among the following head streams meets Ganga list, particularly? Which among the following head streams meets the Ganges in the last? Alkananda, Pindar, Mandakini, and Bhagirathi. Ganga head stream meets the Ganga in last. Alkananda, then it is Bhagirathi, D for Delhi. We will discuss this one. Next, which among the following is the capital of West Sikkim? Gazilling, Gangtok, Manang, and this is Okay, so here answer is your simple. It is Gangtok. Okay, let me change another. Just a minute. Yes. Okay, so it is well known. So answer is your. It is Gangtok. Let's know. Some typo error. Sorry, following capital is of the West Sikkim. Oh, I'm sorry. West Sikkim is Gaz. This is Galsing. Okay, that's correct. Galsing is the West Sikkim ro West re aସୁଛି ହେଲା Galsing. West Sikkim ro capital separately बना है for an proper control administrative control. That is Galsing. Next, Bhagirathi देखिए. The Bhagirathi is a turbulent Himalayan river in the Indian state of Uttarakhand. Bhagirathi is a turbulent Himalayan river in the Indian state of Uttarakhand and one of the two head streams of the Ganges, particularly two head streams of the Ganges, the major river of the northern India and considered as the holy in Hinduism. Bhagirathi कहा जाए. In Hindu faith and culture, the Bhagirathi is considered the source stream of the Ganges. Source stream of the Ganges. However, in hydrology, the other head stream are Alkananda is considered the source stream on account of its great length and discharge, particularly on its account of its great length and discharge. The controversial Tehri Dam lies at the confluence of the Bhagirathi and the Bilanga near the Tehri. Chowkhamba is the highest point of the Bhagirathi basin. Chowkhamba is the highest point which is on the Bhagirathi. Jodi mu ethi kahibi stream ta banebi, this is Gangara, this is Bhagirathi, and this is Alkananda. That the meeting point here it is. Finally, Bhagirathi is the last. This is Pindar Ganga. This is Mandakini. And this is your Dholi Ganga, Pindar Ganga, then Mandakini, then last ku Tamarati Bhagirathi aschi. Right? Tehri Dam, controversial Tehri Dam lies on the confluence of the Bhagirathi and the Vilanga, the Tehri, highest point of the Bhagirathi basins. So Galsing Sikkim has 4 districts: the East Sikkim, West Sikkim, North Sikkim, South Sikkim. Gangtok, which is the capital of Sikkim, is also district capital of the East Sikkim. The Gazing, this is Mangan, and Namchi are the district capitals of West Sikkim, North Sikkim, and South Sikkim, respectively, particularly. Okay? 4 districts: East Sikkim, West, North, and South. East, West, North, and South. We further discuss the Newmore Island, which is disappeared in the sea after many years of its creation. This island was claimed by which of the following 2 neighbors? Newmore Island, जोटा कि India, Pakistan, India, Sri Lanka, India, Bangladesh, India, Myanmar. क्या भितर यदि हम आंसर देखिए, it is answer is your India, Bangladesh. It is answer is your C. Now we'll discuss. Which among the following is the largest district of Maharashtra in terms of area? Aurangabad, Ahmednagar, Sindhugad, and Latur. Aurangabad, Ahmednagar, Sindhudurg, and Latur. Largest district of Maharashtra. It is your Ahmednagar. Okay, Ahmednagar before Bombay. Let me check this one. Yeah, it is Ahmednagar. Newmore Island जब देखिए Newmore Island in India. Newmore Island in India, and the diagram it will be more clear for all of you. Newmore Island in India and South Talapati Island in Bangladesh. It was an uninhabited island which is emerged in the Bay of Bengal in the aftermath of the Bhola cyclone in 1970. It had been created by the delta currents. It was located south of the Habinga River. It was disappeared due to the rising of sea levels. With the territorial claims of India, the Bangladesh has also ended. Particularly, Newmore Island, Newmore Island is the creation. It is bit तारा creation do नहीं कि तारा disappearance ऊपर it is bit so I mean it is bit enigmatic type, we can say. Very mysteriously it is came out when there was a cyclone. It came out maybe because of the static movement of means I mean किसी ऊपर उठी जाइए और तड़कु धसे तो that is in came upper side, and it's drowned because of the again the sea level rise particularly. That is why it is uninhabited island and emerged in the Bay of Bengal in the aftermath of the Bhola cyclone, that is 1970, and it had been created in delta currents. It was located south of the Habinga River. Now it has been disappeared due to the rising in the sea level. So Newmore Island, it is born of dispute with India Bangladesh with Tara territorial claim ko neki bhi. So also it is ended. This is all about the Newmore Island. Jodi mu kahibi it is Ahmednagar upare. Ahmednagar upare jodi mu kahibi Ahmednagar hala tamara sabudu bada district Maharashtra. It is the, you can say it is the largest district area wise in Maharashtra. Then we'll go for the next answers, that is from which directions Tripura is surrounded by Bangladesh, we can say. Tripura is surrounded by this north, south, east, north, southwest, northwest, and south. Tripura direction. Tripura is surrounded by Bangladesh. Tripura is surrounded by Bangladesh. So we can say it is Tripura is surrounded by your particularly we can say your west and south. We can say Tripura is surrounded by Bangladesh from the west and Manipur. West and north, south, and west. North, south, and west. We can say north, south, and west. Tripura is surrounded by north, south, and west particularly. So answer here we can say it is B for Bombay. That is north, south, and particularly west. Which among the following was the first port of India to be public company? Ennore, Tuticorin, New Mangalore, and Marmagaon. First to be a public company, it is your Ennore port. A. Ennore port, Chennai port extensions. I am going Ennore port is an extension of your Chennai port. Ennore है Chennai तले Ennore ऊपर. Tripura जदि कहबा Tripura is a state in the northeastern India, the third smallest state in the country. It covers 10 lakh 491 km and is bordered by Bangladesh to the north, south, and west. Eastern India, the third smallest state in the country, is bordered by the Bangladesh to the north, south, and west, and the Indian states of Assam and Mizoram to the east. East Ochinki, Assam or Mizoram. In 2011, the state had 336,71,000 residents, constituting 0.3% of the country's populations. Your Kamraj Port Limited, formerly Ennore Port, is located in the Coromandel coast, about 18 km north of the Chennai port. Kamraj Port Limited, formerly Ennore Port, is located formerly Kamraj Port, formerly जोटा कि Ennore Port थिला Kamraj बर्तमान Ennore Port टा भी जाना आछि, but it has been particularly by the honor of the Mr. Kamraj, present politicians. तांका नारे Kamraj Port रखा है. It was an honor. जेमती दिल्ली रा stadium यार रखा है. Particularly दिल्ली रो जो दिल्ली स्टेडियम टाको हमर रखा है जेमती आंको नारे अरुण जेटली सर का नाम रे रखा है लेट अरुण जेटली सर एंड दिल्ली रा थिला तुगलक स्टेडियम हैला. So it is located in the Coromandel coast of Chennai port and port. So we can say Delhi Stadium jota thila, I'm sorry, that is Firoz Shah Kotla Stadium. It was established in 1883, which is being the second oldest international stadium still functional in India after the Eden Gardens at Kolkata. Eden Garden pore Firoz Shah Kotla haitila. Ennore port jodi ame dekhiba, the Kamras Port Limited is the only corporatized major port in registered as a company. Chennai Port Trust acquired around 67% stake center in the Kamras Port Limited 27 March 2020 particularly. Which one of the following is India's biggest regional broadcaster? Sun TV, Gemini, Monorama News and Asianet. India's biggest regional broadcaster. It is your particularly it is Sun TV. Which one of the following was the first Indian product to have got protected geographic indicator? Indian rubber, basmati rice, Malabar coffee, and Darjeeling tea. First Indian product to have got protected geographic indicator. That is your. It is, we can say it is Malabar coffee. It is your Malabar coffee. Sorry, I'm sorry. It is. I'm sorry. It is your Darjeeling tea. It is your Darjeeling tea. D for Delhi. Darjeeling tea. Darjeeling tea प्रथमे ब्रिटिश माने से समय करथिला ईस्ट इंडिया कंपनी ब्रिटिश माने ही करथिला दार्जिलिंग टी. सन टीवी जदि देखिबा सन टीवी सबटु बड़ दार्जिलिंग टी जदि देखिबा दार्जिलिंग टी इज मेड फ्रॉम कैमेला नहीं आ गुटे मुझे सन टीवी ऊपर कहि दिए. सन टीवी जदि देखिबा सन टीवी in South India mostly it is operated from your Sun TV production is in your Tamil Tamil Nadu रे main Chennai रे तार headquarters Sun TV रा ठीक है जी. Then Darjeeling tea is a tea made of Camellia sinensis that is grown and your processed in Darjeeling or Kalimpong district in West Bengal. Darjeeling or Kalimpong district of West Bengal, India. Since 2004, the term Darjeeling tea has been registered geographical indications referring to the products are produced in the certain states within the Darjeeling and Kalimpong. Now, particular quote, it is in the Darjeeling and Kalimpong. Darjeeling and Kalimpong. The tea leaves are processed as black tea, particularly tea leaves. These are the processed as your black tea. Though some states have expanded their product offering to include leaves suitable for green, white, and oolong teas. Green, white, and oolong tea, particularly. Tea leaves are processed with the black tea. Through the some states have expanded their product offerings to include the leaves suitable for green, white, and oolong tea. In 2004, Darjeeling tea has been registered as geographical indications referring to products produced in the certain states in the Darjeeling and Kalimpong. Kalimpong is an area, say, Darjeeling area. Okay? Tea leaves are processed as black tea. Prathame processed with black tea, and though some states have expanded their products offering to include leaves suitable for green, white, and oolong. Green, white, and oolong. Consider the following observations with respect to the populations of the agriculture workers in India. Right? Around 1/5 of the India's population is made of agriculture workers. Around half of the agriculture workers in India are landless, particularly. ठीक है? Around 1/5 of the population is made of agriculture workers. 1/5 of the populations, and around half of the agriculture workers in India are landless. So around 1/5 of the population of Indian agriculture, 1/5, 25% are agriculture workers. That is not correct. Even if it is more than that, half of the agriculture workers in India are landless. Yes, it is correct. So only 2 is correct. Only 2 is correct means only 2. So answer is your B. So which among the following spreads from Sasaram to and Rohtas in West Bihar, Western Bihar in Chittorgarh in Rajasthan? Spreads from Sasaram and Rohtas. Sasaram and Rohtas in Western Bihar to Chittorgarh in Rajasthan, particularly. Aravalli system, Vindhya system, Dharawat system, Kadapa system. It is your, it is your Bihar produces, that is your Vindhyan system. Okay, it is an B for Bombay, Vindhyan. I'm sorry, it is both 1 and 2 are correct. 1/5 of the India's population made agriculture workers. Yes, it is correct. C is correct. I'm sorry for this one. Analysis today. Agriculture workers as fractions of India's total populations have decreased only marginally since 1951, while 27% of the people were agriculture workers in 1951. Their fraction stands 21.7 as per the census 2011 data. Thus, first statement is correct. Out of the total agriculture workers, the fractions of cultivators has gradually gone down 72 in 1951 to 45.1 in 2011. On the other hand, the fractions of agriculture laborers has gradually gone off to the 28% since 1951 to 54.8% particularly. Agriculture work total population have decreased marginally 1951. 27 of the people were agriculture workers in 1951. Their fractions stands 21.7 as per the census data. Census data हिसाब रे जोटा कि 2021 census तमर बाहर नहीं. So 2011 census answer it is 21.7. Thus the first statement is correct. Out of the total agriculture workers, the fractions of the cultivators has gradually grown from 72% in 1951 to 45.1% in 2011. On the other hand, the fractions of agriculture laborers has gradually gone off 28% in 1951 to 54.8% 2011 census. Fractions of agriculture laborers has gradually. Agriculture laborers केते हमर बढ़ी गले 28 ରୁ ନେଇକି near about 55%. More about twofold increase we can say. The second statement is also correct. Vindhyan system, Vindhyan station stretches from the Sasaram and Rohtas in the western Bihar to Chittorgarh in Rajasthan. These rocks came into existence after Kadapa rocks. After Kadapa rocks, these rocks came into existence. These are the sedimentary rocks which are built from sandstone shell and limestone, particularly sandstone shell and limestone. Sandstone, shell and limestone, these are the rocks. Okay. Vindhya system, Vindhya system is also oldest, but your less than or lesser than by age it is lesser than your Aravalli fault system. Vindhya stretches from Sasaram and Rohtas in Bihar to Chittorgarh in Rajasthan. These rocks came into existence after Kadapa rocks. After Kadapa rocks, these rocks came into existence. These are the sedimented rocks which are built from sandstone, shale, and limestone. Sandstone, shale, or limestone. Okay. Agriculture workers mu कहबी fraction of cultivators जो माने थिले माने gradually 72% ru 1951 ने जोने चाष करथिले 72 more than बोले 72 पाखापाखि थिले वर्तमान गन डाउन है कि 45% है माने just we can say 80% down है right sorry 40% we can say 40% there is a decrease or we can say यदि हम देखिबा near about near about 37% or 35% decrease है on the other fraction agricultural laborers समाने बढ़ी है fraction of cultivators gone down है whereas the fraction of agricultural laborers they increase agriculture labor टा हमर बढ़ी है but जो cultivators they gone down, but laborer has increased particularly. Laborers, it doesn't mean that they only work in the field. They're also the agriculture laborers with the agro-based industries. Also, we can take that one, molasses and other paths. So that is there. Next, which among the following countries has 25% of your thorium reserves maximum? Maximum thorium reserves go to India, China, US, India, China, USA, Russia. Maximum 25% of your thorium reserves. So it is the answer. It is A, India, thorium reserves. Next, arid forest research institute is located at Rajasthan, Haryana, Punjab, or Kerala. It is A, Rajasthan. India has modest uranium reserves where it has one largest thorium reserves in the world. Thorium, despite its greater abundance in nature and a number of superior characteristics, particularly India has a modest uranium reserves in India, as we know this one. India has modest uranium reserves. This is well known. The fertile thorium-232 has to be covered into uranium-233 by process to 233 first for the use in a nuclear reactor. Nuclear reactor is then deposit dominated in the states Jharkhand, Odisha. Koti thorium fertile thorium ta kon ve thorium to convert hoche uranium 233 को deposits koti particularly Jharkhand, Odisha, Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, और Kerala. Which is Jharkhand, Odisha, Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, and Kerala. Particularly through So particularly West Bengal भी किसी part रे मिलुछि. So majorly जदि हमें देखिबा Your location, Jharkhand. Okay. With a diagram, it will be more clear. This is West Bengal. Sorry, West Bengal. A part re. Eti rahila tomara Jharkhand. This is Odisha, Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu. This is Kerala. The major dominant E3 rochunde mane, particularly. So thorium India is 25% fertile thorium अच्छी जोटा कि converted thorium रू तुम्हारे uranium को convert होची ना thorium रू uranium convert होची और सही conversion process रू ही तुम्हारा maximum power production nuclear reactor यूज होची ना वर्तमान जदियो इंडिया रे nuclear reaction based power नहीं but India gets converted है ना nuclear we can say nuclear reactor रे यूज होची है ना for nuclear power production for the nuclear power productions particularly. अच्छा नेक्स्ट देखो अरीड रिसर्च इंस्टीट्यूट देखो अरीड फॉरेस्ट रिसर्च इंस्टीट्यूट विच इज लोकेटेड अरीड फॉरेस्ट रिसर्च इंस्टीट्यूट जब हम देखो इट इज एट द जोधपुर particularly जोधपुर this research organization is study mainly the climatic phenomena the western India and the country as a whole climatic phenomena the western India and the country as a whole Jodhpur particularly Jodhpur is a big city is in Rajasthan particularly है ना Jodhpur is a big city is in Rajasthan particularly. Rajasthan arid area है it is situated in the arid pocket Rajasthan जब देखियो Rajasthan का particular it is the arid part if I can say it is the arid part Rajasthan का part है arid part Aravalli port को arid part so arid part है तुम्हारा basically yeah. Then next देखियो this organization the research organizations study mainly the climatic phenomena Western India and the country as a whole. Climatic phenomena Western India and the country as a whole particularly. Next we'll see the question. Which one of the following tribal community of Northeast India is made one of the language but two religions? Naga, Mizo, Methi and Adi. Northeast India is made of one language but two religions. One language but two religions. His answer is your C, Methi. We'll discuss this one, Methi. Then bring out the incorrectly matched pair. Baira Silal project Himachal Pradesh, Solal project Jammu Kashmir, Tankura Uttar Pradesh and Koel Karo project is in Bihar. It is answer Baira Silal project Himachal is correct, Solal Jammu Kashmir, Tanpura Tanakur project is your Uttar Pradesh, that is also correct. Koel Karo it is not in the Bihar, rather Koel Karo project is in the your Jharkhand. So here it is wrong. So answer is not correct, incorrectly matched. So answer is your D for Delhi. Discussion देखिए. Methi people live in Manipur. Methi people कौन? This is the unique feature of Methi is that their community is made of one language but two religions. सेमानकर जो community they are made of one language but two religions. Majority of them are Hindus and have Mongoloid features. They have majority of them are Hindus and they have Mongoloid features, while a minority of them is Muslim and have Bengali features. Minority of them are Muslim, they have Bengali features. In spite of this, there exists a good harmony between them, and they are proud of the common heritage of their mother tongue, particularly. Hindu और Mongoloid particularly. Hindu और Mongoloid particularly. कोइलकारो प्रोजेक्ट जदि हम देखिबा कोइलकारो प्रोजेक्ट रो जदि हम कहबी कोइलकारो प्रोजेक्ट मोस्टली इफ आई से कोइलकारो प्रोजेक्ट जोटा कि झारखंड रे रहउची साउथ कोयल रिवर रन्स अक्रॉस द झारखंड एंड ओडिशा एंड द स्टेट्स इन इंडिया कोइलकारो प्रोजेक्ट ये डायग्राम रे बनला आहुरी भी मच क्लियर हे जिवो So this is your Sank river and this is your Koel river. Koel river झारखंड प्लेट्यू रू बाहर दिस इज छोटा नागपुर प्लेट्यू रू बाहर झारखंड रे है देन एडी कोन देखियो अक्रॉस द इंडियन ओडिशा स्टेट्स इट ओरिजिनेट्स ऑन द रांची प्लेट्यू छोटा नागपुर प्लेट्यू रो ऊपरटा हजारीबाग तलटा हला रांची प्लेट्यू मन रखो छोटा नागपुर प्लेट्यू जोरा पढुछो ऊपरटा हला तमरो हजारीबाग आउ तळ हला रांची. It originates on the Ranchi Plateau, a few miles east of Ranchi, and co-joins the Belsiangar and Singhbum rivers. The Koel is fed by three streams in Jharkhand, namely North Koel, South Koel, and Koyna. North Koel, South Koel, and Koyna. Koel river mainly fed by North Koel, South Koel, and Koyna. The South Koel enters Odisha and joins with Sank river near the Vedavas in Rourkela particularly. In the mouth diagram बनाऊँचे. This is Sank and this is Koel river, where the base near Rourkela, it is joined. The South Koel enters Odisha and joins with Sank river at the Vedavas near Rourkela, from where it is named as Brahmani. इमान को जो confluence is Vedavas Rourkela जोटे पानपोस रे सेठ तमर रोचे that is Brahmani river. This is Brahmani river, A to Bharti, Brahmani river. Brahmani river flows from here, it means Tanada Brahmani. Then because of the Brahmani, it is infertile and makes the Rourkela steel plant also there. The South Koel enters the Odisha and joins the Sank river at the Vedavas near Rourkela. So this is the discussions how we are leading, and this is the way that one should approach while the studying. So it gives a broader perspective. See, if you are studying one part, then it should be known particularly who जिनसो को हमें majorly हमें deal करिबा, है ना? That is the process. Okay. So in this way, students someone को help हवा पढ़िया पे, particularly analytically आजकल पचार चुनते अब analytically हेल्ले ही सुविधा. You can easily get more facts rather than only remembering one thing. Other than remembering only one thing, you can go for remember of 2-3 things at a time. So which one is more valuable for this one? So that is the major thing that you have to remember. That way, instead of mugging of only the questions answer, you have to go for the your analytical part, so that it will help your broaden process. Particularly, तम process रा broaden karibo, understanding ko tamara level ko बढ़ेबो. In fact, while making this one you can able to speak also. जदि कौन जिनस हम तुम जदि तुम पाखे कंटेंट अच्छी, you can able to express yourselves, and that is the major thing that required in such exams. That most of the peoples they are in lacuna, and there is a gap, they cannot able to understand such one. That is what the entire process is. So ei way re पढ़िले तुमको बेटर रहइबो, अंडरस्टैंडिंग क्वेश्चंस ऊपर एनालिसिस करिबा बेटर रहइबो से ऊपर. So आज जहाँ भी हमें discussions कले, I would suggest once again go through the slides and the reviews, so it will help you out to check it out को जिनस रे. Okay then, thank you all of you. Bye bye. Thank you. Take care. Bye bye.